Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to see withdrawal history on eToro. So this method is best for a quick check of recent transactions. So it's the same for web browser and mobile app. So let's get straight into it. Now click or tap the portfolio tab, bottom of the app or left sidebar on web browser here, portfolio. Now it will open up this thing. If you have something here, you will see some uh, investment. At the top left, you will see my portfolio. If you click on it, you will see history. So click on that. Now here you will see all the actions, invested units, how much is it open, is it closed, close time, and so on, stop losses. Now you will also see at the top right corner a filter where you can select basically just to see cash flow, manual trades, or people trades. So I have it on all right now because I don't have anything. You can also see here deposits and withdrawals. So if you have some action about those, you will see it also here that you can make an filter and just look for withdrawals and see how many you have withdraw and so on. How many fees did you pay and so and so. And yeah, this is then pretty much everything how you can see withdrawal history on eToro. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next